Reuse your empty HP Tri-Colur cartridges by following these refilling instructions. Prepare the required materials before refilling. Singink H400 yellow, magenta, and cyan ink. Cartridge kit holder, 3 needles, 3 funnel syringes, 1 syringe, tissue paper, 3 toothpicks. The Tri-Colur cartridge contains 3 different colors. Begin by identifying the color associated with each hole on the top of the cartridge. Use a toothpick to gently probe each of the 3 holes to determine the color contained within each. Next, insert the cartridge in the cartridge kit holder. This will secure the cartridge and protect the sensor, ensuring an airtight seal. Attach a needle to one of the funnel syringes. Carefully pierce the needle into one of the holes in the cartridge. Open the ink cap, pierce the protective foil, and ensure the ink bottle is securely closed. Squeeze approximately 1.2 milliliters of ink into the funnel syringe. Repeat this process for the remaining 2 colors. Lastly, remove air bubbles from the cartridge. Insert the syringe into the hole located at the bottom of the cartridge kit holder. Withdraw the syringe until you see ink entering it. Final steps. Remove the cartridge from the kit holder. Press the bottom of the cartridge onto a piece of tissue paper until solid lines of cyan, magenta, and yellow appears. Your cartridge is now ready for use.